Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammed Munawar, and I'm associated with NPP Fund Management Limited, asset management company, and I'm working as a senior finance manager. I have just come to know about YouExcel, and they will be offering financial modeling and analysis courses. I just found them very interesting, and it is a need of current era that you present your data in a good presentation form, and you got to analyze your data in a good presentations. So it is so helping for me that I am analyzing my data in a very good presentation, graphical uh, postures. So it is helping me to present my data to my top management.